Hey, you guys, I am back. Got my word today. Focus. Got to stay on that path. Can't get off that road. Got to stay on the path of God. Got to focus on things. Got to do right by people. Got to do right by your family members. Got to love everyone God puts in your path and be available to help. Okay, so I gave you the video when I got ready. So now I'm back and I am going to prepare my unit to just go back in storage for the next time I go out. So just split it in the back. Again, this is Raw Indian Body Wave. I don't add any products or anything because then I would have to wash it. Sometimes if it's a little frizzy, I might put a little bit of, I'll be forgetting the names of stuff, y'all. Might put a little bit of this good stuff in here. Silk Therapy BioSilk. BioSilk is that good. So, if the ends seem a little frizzy, I'll go ahead and put a little bit on there before I put the rods back in. And not much, just a little. Because this stuff really weighs your hair down. So just a little BioSilk. There you go. Get the ends looking right. All right. Comb. Always comb from the ends to the roots. All right. That prevents shedding and tangling in your natural hair as well as your units. You know, the units are made with someone's natural hair, so you want to make sure you take care of it. And keep in mind that this is hair sewn on a weft. The lace frontals are hand, you know, when we went to India, we saw them making the frontals and the closures, and they actually take one strand at a time and weft it through the lace. So you got to be gentle with it, you know. So, as I said before, I had this unit now for about, 3 years. So anyway, this is how it looks. You know, once you comb it out, you still got some body in it. You still can just, take this off, put it back in the drawer, and it'll be ready to go for when I want to go out again and put my unit on. But I'm just going to throw the flexi rods in there again because it just helps to keep it neat and nice. I don't put much. I just put 3 on each side. All right. Just do that. This is how you keep your ends tucked in for your unit. Keep it nice, safe, and secure. It won't be tangled when it comes time to wear it again. Be fresh and ready to go. Feels weird to try to do it on. Okay, here you go. Try to do it on camera. A little difficult, but doable. So this is how we prep the unit for the next time, which can be, tomorrow or later on this afternoon, whenever your next time is. I could put an extra separate one on the bang, but I don't want the bang to be really curly. I just like it to have a little bend, just a little bounce in it. So start from up here so you can get the shorter hairs in there. Just wrap the hair. Smoothing the ends as you go. Bend your flexi rod. Bam. 3 on that side. Now for this side. Same thing. Use your finger. Just go ahead and part. Comb through for any tangles. Same thing. Wrap the hair. So basically, I do the curls going towards each other. So this one, they all kind of fold in. You can wrap them in any direction you want. Practice makes possible. You just try it and see what you like. Everybody's different. All right. There's no right way or wrong way. Just show you guys how I prep it for the next time. Okay.
why she won't take a big chunk of blood over there to drink out that other thing.
Alright. I did end up putting some hairspray on here, so it's a little something going on right here, but figure that through. I just had put a little hairspray on that air flap on this side after I looked at it, after I put it on. I said, let me just put a little hairspray to hold that side down. And that is it, y'all. And this is this. And that's how that looks. And it's easier when it's on your head, so just go ahead and knock your curls out and get that out the way. Yeah, and take the unit off. Got my cap right here. Oof. And you can either, you know, just fold it into your cap. Just like so. Oh, yeah, I lost one, y'all. That doesn't usually happen. Sorry, I'm trying to bring the camera down so y'all can see what I'm doing. So now that I lost that one, I'm just gonna put that back in. Don't know which direction that side was going, so we'll see when we put it on next time. Just secure that. Stick it in the stocking cap. And look at this one acting up. See, when I do stuff on camera, I be trying to act up. If I wasn't on camera, this would have been easy peasy, no problemo. All right, all right. Okay. And there it is. And then I'm just gonna stick her in the drawer. So now, as you guys did earlier, I put some oil on my scalp before I took my shower. So now I'm just gonna put a little bit of leave-in conditioner. Just to add a little moisture to the hair. Want to keep it moisturized. It's very hot outside. And we're going to be out there working in the garden in a little bit. So, that is it, y'all. That's what it is. So, that's how. Oh, you take my lashes off, right? You do that. Wash my hands. I should have done that before I put the leave-in conditioner on my hands. Okay. So with me, I just press on it like so, very lightly. Gently pull back with my lash, and that's it. That's the safest way to do it. Don't pull any of your own lashes out. Yeah. Just put it right back in the spot where I got it from. Same thing here. You could also use micellar water, I think it's called, and just wipe like that. But I don't really do that. Just to show you. Yeah, so no damaging, because really I put the liner just above my lash line, not really on my lashes, so it's not really like this lash is stuck to your lashes. You could go through and take off some of the gummy stuff from the liner. You can do that with micellar. When I first started wearing these magnetic lashes, I would clean them every time I took them off, and then after a while I'm like, I don't need to clean them every time. It's just if it gets real gunky, like if you wear the same ones all the time. Again, this is how the kit looks, so you have options if you want to be flashy, like them longer. I know some stylists, they would take a thinner one than a thicker one, and they would double it up for like a real dramatic effect. If they're doing pictures and things like that, photo shoots, stuff like that. But I just try to keep it natural, a little natural, just to give me some lashes. Ooh, my face just looks so greasy. But anyway, that's what it is. It's hot in ATL, so that is what it is. But yeah, Let me know if you guys have any questions, any concerns, any comments. Let me know if you're still wearing your magnetic lashes, if your liquid has dried up, and if so, just, you know, leave a note, leave a message in the comment. I'll reach out to you. I can definitely, we're opening our website back up actually the beginning of August, so next week. So, I shouldn't say next week because I don't know when this video will post, but we're opening August 1st. So by the time you see this video, we probably will be, the store will be open, and then you can just purchase a new liner thing. The liquid liner stuff. I don't know what you, replacement. How about that? Yeah. So this is the magnetic lashes. You saw me put them on this morning. Took them off, how easy it was. Your lashes are fine. And then you still have some of that liner on there, so that gives a little dramatic look without you having your lashes on, kind of define your eyes. Or you can take your micellar water. I'm gonna have to get some of that so I can say it right and show you guys, and you just take it with a, you know, cotton swab, and that'll take that extra off if it's really, you know, bothering you. But there it is. Now time to change into my overalls. Let the heat cool down a little bit, then we'll get in the garden, check on the baby chickies, check on the rabbits, the pigs, the dogs, the chickies, and the goats, you know, our routine. Love you guys. Thank you so much for supporting our life and seeing everything that we're doing and just coming along with us. Again, any questions about gardening, any questions about the livestock, any questions about processing the livestock, and those questions, I'll be sharing all that on this channel. Big Daddy and I will be just, you know, educating you guys on whatever you need to know. Just put them in the comments. Let us know what you need to know, what you're interested in, and we'll do those kind of videos. So yeah, I'm going to do a video with inventory of the lashes. We had a whole new order come through, so I had to do that in inventory. I did that. I did a video for that, and then I'm also going to be doing a video of the inventory of all the wigs and all of the bundles and stuff like that, so you get to see that as well. I run my fingers through the hair so you can kind of see how it sheds or not sheds, and tangling or not tangling. So anywho, guys, put in the comments what products you want to know that I use on the my units, on the sew-ins, that kind of thing. There's so many good products out there for your hair. So yeah, like I said, I've had all of my products for 3+ years. Ever since we started the business, this is the lashes I've had. I've kept all the wigs that I started with. I still have all of those. If I get a new unit, you'll know, because I like to bleach it, so I'll definitely videotape that. Love you guys. Thank you for your support. Have an amazing rest of your day, and let me know if you need anything. Mwah.